So today I'm going to be cleaning this super dirty coil. Look at all that dust on there. This thing cannot breathe whatsoever. This is a huge unit too. I think it's a 60-ton Daikin. It's a rooftop unit on a high-rise building. So to get the grate off, I got all these screws going around. We're going to take those off first so we can get better access to it. Got my coil cleaner and the pump sprayer. Gonna turn the power off. So now I got the grate off, I'm just gonna spray it down and clean it. You can see the cleaner starting to really foam up there and help push all that dirt out. And that's pretty much it. Got it rinsed off, much cleaner than it was. I'm sure there's still little bits of debris on there, but I'm not looking for perfection. I'm just looking to get this thing cleaned and running a little smoother. We'll get the power turned back on and this thing will be good to go. This one is on a high-rise building. Let me show you the view here. It's 32 stories up. If you know what city this is, leave it down in the comments. Probably never seen this perspective of the city before. Once again, guys, thanks for watching, and if you could, like and subscribe. Thanks.